I'm gonna open up code blocks, get that. Oh no. Yo, but it should be like I press enter. Let's see Cherno study clock now. Your last break time. Duration. Cast. The Cherno. Seconds, and we're gonna cast it into insane. Wait, no. Ooh, this. Study clock. Hello?
Saying that somebody's trying to buy Pro. See if it's okay. You're not trying to buy
Hell nah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's definitely not me. Definitely not me. Wait, really? Where? Are you sure it's from the real account? Screenshot the message in a second. Pretty sure it's just autism, bro. Nah, this is real autism. Hey, what? Oh. Break time. Where did I put the break duration? Break duration in seconds minus elapsed break time. That should be there, and then where there was like isn't it right here? What the fuck? What the actual fuckler? Oh, remaining. Okay, you gotta know a spell. Remaining break time. Divided by 60. It was the same shit, like. I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna break out of this. I have no idea how this works. Because once you're in here, you should be able to break out of that. Something. Well, that's true. It goes in. I have a counter. It goes through this. Break time. Break. Keep scouting that. This is done. This is too weird. Should I just have a timer that like I can rewrite the same code? I mean, I don't feel like I just it's a run timer. There should be another function just called like play timer. Because it should just do all that for me. I mean, honestly, I think that would make sense to just maybe do like I'm thinking maybe have like a display timer. Could we have this churning thing? Display. Once this is finished, it'll display. Break time. No, it wasn't. I feel like that should work. Should call it display options. Display options actually does the runtime. A little bit scared. I don't know if this is gonna work. What function doesn't have a return? Bool. Oh, bool confirmation. Oh. I don't know. The actual fuck is happening? That's not very good. Call it quits on the. I think we have to make it like this delay for a second or something. Hello?
Yeah, you saw the message I sent you?
It looks fake.
It looks fake, right? I ignored it. I'm
Yeah.
just telling you.
Yeah, I think it's fake, yeah.
Fine.
Alright.
Peace.
Peace. The fuck? Wait, what's wrong with this? Bind the induced thread. What? What? Bro, this is ridiculous. Where the fucking downloads that, man? I didn't really need to. What the fuck, bro? My nigga, what? Oh shit, it actually works. Oh my god. This is actually lovely. Okay. It actually works. Thread.sleep? Only thing is now. Every time we see out something, we need to. fuck? /R? Is this how it's supposed to work? The Carnage return. Oh, that's fucking beautiful. Okay. After you type in, it should like. Is that like what? Fix my problem. Fix like the beautiful shit like later. It does not work. Okay. CLS. Let's see if we can. Fuck. What just happened? Yes. Yes. B. Wait. Sister live? Okay. So confused why that happens. Timer's a little bit funky. But what? It's like fucked up. Hella fucked up. Hella fucked up. Hella fucked up. There's something wrong there. Nothing wrong there. I should start going like start saying like weird numbers. Make it nice. It's like, oh. So there's like shouldn't it always be a number under 60? It should always be a number under 60. Minutes equals remaining time. My timer is so fucked up. I think I understand what's happening. That's like really not working. I don't think I understand what's happening. Oh, we do minus. Remaining time. So we like there's like 120 seconds. 120 seconds. Could be 0, right? Isn't. Fuck. That's something. My shit's so fucked up. I have no idea. if the number of seconds left is less than 10. Put a 0. I mean, okay. I guess I kind of get that. If minutes.count is less than 10, less than 10. Okay. Does that count? Pretty much the same thing. If seconds that count is less than 10, if seconds that count is less than 10, then put a 0. Yo. I mean, I have no clue. Alright, does this still work? Any builder? Is there, buddy? Clear was not declined in the scope. What line is this? 34? Oh, my dumbass just put clear. The fact that still works is crazy. Oh, cool. Yeah, y'all niggas are crazy. You're like run timer is not declared in the scope. I mean, I'm pretty sure it is. It did not. That shit did not clear screen, bro. That did not clear screen, brother. Let's see how this looks. It goes to 90. What in the fucking tarnation? That's very not right. I gotta come back to that. I'm doing the math. Just ain't mathin', brother. It just simply ain't mathin'. The math is not mathin', as they say. Are we getting numbers like north of like? Are we getting numbers like? How does duration cast work? Oh. I'd say like auto minutes remaining time. So if we have like 120, that'd be the minutes. The minutes work perfectly fine. The seconds are just like fucked up. May time remain. I think I should have done dot count. A long. What the fuck's the problem? Oh, you can't do dot count. I actually wouldn't even need dot count there. Because what are you working on, bro? It's a Pomodoro timer. So 60 seconds. Okay. Fuck. Why does this not work? What's this do? This minute's fucked up. Especially must have a class built-in duration? Oh lord. I don't know. What's the issue here? Oh my god. What the fuck's the issue here? Minutes doesn't have a dot count anymore? What the fuck? The problem here? Duration cache Cherno minutes remaining time. I don't get how that's any different. Duration cache Cherno seconds, the remaining. I was thinking about doing that actually. But like I don't get that. The fuck's the issue though? I even doing this shit, bro? So curious to see what the problem is. Oh, that's kind of silly. I guess I could do that. What is the deduced type of minutes? It's a Cherno object. Uh, I'm using Cherno literals, and that's what's keeping track of the time for me. So that's why I use auto, because it would just be like this. STD Cherno seconds. But I use auto, so I don't have to do that. Okay, none of this shit's gonna work now. I don't know if I like this, personally. It kind of looks ugly. Yeah, I think it's delayed, so I think, yeah, you got the answer. I was also looking it up as well. I don't like this, because, like, the thing that bothers me is that it has... Yeah, I did chart the actual type. Minutes and then seconds, it works because modulo, like, it doesn't have any... It doesn't return a different type, so I can use the dot count. But I don't like mixing them. You know what I could do? Just... I don't know. Because that means I have to change the break time, too. Let's do it that way. I don't know how much I don't know if I feel like doing that shit right now. I'll do that later. Let's see if this works. Okay, let's pick number 1. Alright, the timer's counting down. That's actually pretty good. Let's see if it could go all the way down to like 1 minute and it loops correctly. No, I meant try the actual type instead of auto. You think that would help? I guess if it works right now, I wouldn't have to do that. Change anything, right? But if I do have an issue, I'll try that. Okay, we just gotta wait for this. See if it. Does it flip correctly? Because if it does, I'll just leave it like this, I guess. No, it doesn't. Look at that. What the fuck? You saw that? It's going down by tens. What in the fuck? That's so strange. We're gonna have to fix that. Yeah, auto is not very straightforward at times. Yeah, I think I'm gonna work on that. Okay, so first I'm gonna make sure I get the time in seconds, because that clearly does not work how it's supposed to work. Cancel that shit. Okay. So I'm guessing first we just do... Did Cherno? Duration cast? duration cast. And we're gonna put stood Cherno seconds. And we're gonna just cast the remaining time into seconds. All right, so now we have the remaining time as like seconds as a Cherno object. Now we have to separate it into. Put a comment. Separate into min sec. Okay, I think I get it. So same shit here. Stood. Let me just delete this. Yeah, I don't need anyways. Stood Cherno. Duration cast, and we're gonna change this to stood Cherno minutes. And we want to change the total seconds into minutes. So I didn't even call this something. I'm a little silly. Slightly confused. I'm gonna try auto for now because I don't know what else to do. Wait, what the fuck is wrong with me? I should have just made it seconds in the first place. Okay. Remaining time should just be in seconds. I'm sorry. Let's just stood Cherno. Duration cast. I think duration cast does not return a type. You don't think so? Wait, we're gonna find out. I think I just deleted some by accident. We're about to find out, my boy. Duration cast. Okay, this looks better. So now our remaining time is 100% in seconds. And now we want to get minutes and seconds. So stood Cherno. I don't know the exact type. I guess it would be like stood Cherno seconds work direction. I guess it would be that. Maybe stood Cherno minutes. I'm gonna try that. Stood Cherno minutes equals stood Cherno duration cast into minutes, and we want to do our remaining time. So that should, and it truncates, so that should give us the amount of minutes that we need. Apparently you can't use equal. Oh, well. Okay. Stood Cherno seconds is going to equal duration cast into seconds. And we want to have the remaining time minus minutes. That should give us the seconds, because whatever the remainder is of that, no remainder, whatever the, after the subtraction, that should give us the amount of seconds. Remain time. What the fuck? Oh. Dot count. Okay. We're trying again. I think this is better. Click option 1. Alright. Now we gotta wait like a minute to see if this thing goes around correctly. Like, let me open the window. If this works, that would be pretty lit. Come on. And it should be like, once it gets to 9, it should be 0, 9, I hope. No, what the fuck? Oh, it's backwards! Hold up. Look. It does work. It does work. It's fucking backwards. It's fucking backwards. It's supposed to put the 0 first, then see out the minutes. What? Why would it be backwards though? I'm clearly... Oh shit, okay. The other way did work. I don't know why I make this so much more complicated than it needs to be. Look what happens when it goes down past to 9. It's gonna say 90 instead of 0. It's putting the number first and then... Okay. If seconds that count is less than 10, which is like 9, then we want to, if it's true, we're going to output a 0 and then see out the time. Am I tripping so hard? I don't know the issue here. It's less than 10. But it's putting the number first and then it's putting the 0. Like, that's very strange. Why is it putting the number first? What the actual hell? The remaining time is in duration cast seconds, and the minutes is in duration cast minutes. What? The remaining time is in duration class, yes, in seconds. And the minutes is in duration cast minutes. Well, yeah, it's just going to convert it. So it's going to tell me how many minutes I need. So it's going to divide it by 60. I think that makes sense. I think you should do arithmetic by taking counts instead of the variable. I am taking account. Look. Isn't that the count? It literally works. Look. It's just in the wrong order. It's supposed to be 0, 9, not 9, 0. It's, even though it looks like it's in the correct order. Oh my god. I'm so close. Why would it do that? Why the fuck would it do that? This is, the zeros being placed after the number. I don't know. This is very interesting. That's so weird. What? Why in fucking tarnation would it do that? If you got any ideas, let me know. Why the fuck is this shit backwards, bro? In the auto seconds, try remaining time dot count. Oh, to get like the wrath. Oh, okay. I'll try that. Oh and shit! Look at this. Now it has 3 digits. This is not good. I I I don't know. All right. In the auto seconds, auto seconds. I don't have auto seconds. You mean Sterno seconds? Main time minus minutes that count. Minutes that count. Okay. I don't think like I don't think this is gonna work because duration cast expects to like objects, like the Cherno objects, not remaining. Sorry, remaining time. Wait, what? Hold up. What are you saying? Remaining time dot remaining time dot count minus minutes that count times 60. Okay. I think this may work outside of the duration cast because this is gonna return. Actually, I have no clue. I'm just gonna. I'll try it out. So remaining time dot count minus minutes dot count times 60. Uh, all right. You know what? I'm down to try it. Oh, okay, okay. No problem. No problem. Let's do a build up bet. Hey, yo, what is this? Mismatch types, concerno duration. I don't think they like that, man. Bro, brackets around here, like parentheses. You think that okay? If that's what it was, it still has the same issue, but I'll run it anyway. Let's wait. See if it fixes it. in the multiplication. Yeah, I added it. Okay, this is the moment of truth we're gonna see. I don't really like this error, but let's see if it fixes it. Okay, hold up, pause. All right, it's the same exact thing actually. So that actually didn't change anything. Okay. I think it's because I'm using this R shit. Okay. It's this thing, the /r that's redoing. Or better, I would just suggest you either just use true types, and it's confusing, or use raw integers. No, I think I know the issue. I think I know the issue. I don't think it's a math problem. I think it's not like overwriting the line correctly. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I think it was the /r. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, I probably for testing purposes, I probably should just make it like not have to count down a whole entire minute. But I think it has like trouble doing the 0, 0 thing. Ah, ugh. Let's see. Let's see. All right, 3, 2. Man, motherfucker. Try a simple check to see if you're getting -10 or is it just doing. You think it's a arithmetic bug? It could be. But why does it work for every number? As soon as it gets below, like, to me, like every number that's above 10 works perfectly fine. Like, what the fuck? As soon as it gets under 10, because dot count returns an integer, so this should work. But why would it place the 0 first though? Like what? So for this it always works. And as soon as it gets under 10, I don't get the 0. It doesn't print my 0. Well, it does print the 0. It just prints motherfucking the number first then the 0. Try a simple check to see if it's hitting the minus less than 10 or is it just how would I check that? Like all right, if it's less than 10, I'm going to do seconds. I'm going to be like less than 10. It should print like dead ass that to the screen. I don't like waiting so long. If I do if I do thread sleep for like how much is a millisecond? Wait, actually I don't know. I'm scared. I don't want to mess with that. I wish it would just go a little bit faster. But we're going to try this. Did you notice that even when it's at 1500, it's like fucked up. Maybe I should do that. What is the fucking issue here? It should, as soon as it gets to 9, it should say less than 10. Like literally in the console. All right, it's going. Wait, nah, it doesn't even hit, bro. What the actual fuck? It doesn't even. Yo, what? Yo, what? That's actually insane. It never even hits this less than 10 thing. Check if it's less than 10. Print something like less than 10 just to rule out the bug. Yeah, I tried that. It's not hitting less than 10. So it actually is like, it has to be an arithmetic bug. Right? What the actual. That's so confusing. Does dot count not return? Yeah, I did it. I did it. It did not work. It did not print anything. Let me see. What do you say? That's the problem? Yeah, yeah. You were right with the arithmetic thing. Wait, let me look up what dot count returns. So Cherno dot count returns an integer? Question mark? There's a modification called. Wait 1 second. I'll read that in a minute. Calling count simply opens that box that handles raw numbers inside the standard integer library. It returns a plain. It says it returns a plain signed integer typed. Can you not control plus click on the count function? Oh yeah, yeah, it is just the 64-bit int. Good call, Nestor. I still don't understand why. Should I just say fuck it and like I'm just gonna get rid of this for now. Like whatever. Alright. We're trying that. Alright, now we wait. Try to add parentheses around the seconds that count minus 10. I did. I had parentheses around it. But I'll control Z it because it's gone now. Man, making a Pomodoro timer. Never thought. I thought it would take like an hour or two. Mother trucker. All right, there. If it gives me the same error again, I'm gonna be like kind of sad. Let's see. Nah, it does. What the actual fuck, dude? What are these numbers? And what is this invisible character? I mean, the condition itself, not entirely ternary operator. Oh, the condition itself? Oh, okay. Alright, I gotta stop this. I think it has something to do with this R, because this is the thing I used to rewrite the over the same line. I'm thinking that like when it's at 10, right? It Alright, think about it. When it's at 10, the second 10 has 2 digits. When it goes to 9, I think it doesn't have enough characters to rewrite the whole thing, so the 0 is left over from the 10. I think that's what's happening. That means we need some type of padding, but this fucking shit doesn't allow me to do the padding. Alright, I'm gonna try that again. Alright, so you said put the parentheses over here. This is not supposed to be this annoying. Alright, well, let's see. It's definitely this R thing. Yes, the R. It's the R. All right, that clearly doesn't work because the R, it allows the cursor to go back to the front, like the left hand side of the screen, right? If you have the number 10, like 10, and then you go 9, it's just gonna overshadow this 9 here, and it's gonna be 9D. Like what the fuck? But I want it to be like 0, 9, but I don't know how to do that because this clearly doesn't work. I guess maybe I should stop using this character and just do something else. Like I could clear screen, but I feel like that sounds so stupid. Huh? Where does the come from in the output? Right here. Wait, is it printing this whole thing? Wait, no, it can't be. Wait a minute. Wait, you actually have a good point. Where does that shit come from? Is it printing this? Actually, yeah, that was a really good point. I don't know, man. I'm about to. Should I just trash this and retry from the beginning? I feel like there's something very wrong here. It's supposed to be the part of the ternary. Yeah, yo, exactly. What am I doing wrong here? Do you guys know? Yeah, you have a really good point. Clearly, this does not work. Um, and that's not even a ternary operator anymore. It's just I'm surprised it doesn't just print twice. And I think it definitely is a ternary because if I type something here, it won't print it. Try if else instead of ternary. Damn. I really did not want to have to do that. But I guess I'm like, let me ask AI. I just cut that by accident. My ternary is not working. Can you help me? When the second gets under 10, it goes 0. Okay, let's see. Let's see what Gemini says. This is okay. It says, however, you're it's still happening because of the exact same line overriding trap. Yeah, it is that. AI's ass. There's no fucking garbage. Look at this shit, bro. Now I'm getting 4-9. What the fuck is that? And this is supposed to say 0-9. That shit's fuck, dude. I'm getting rid of all that. This is fucking rage inducing. It doesn't even print the 0-9. This literally does not work. How do I have a colon? It's printing the colon. All right, we're getting that shit out of there. Clearly, that is the most ridiculous shit I've ever had to deal with. Okay. Okay. If minutes dot count is less than 10, now and then it's just gonna go like if I try without the \r, it's just gonna print on a new line each time. I want to overwrite it, which is it's kind of like unless I just clear screen or something. All right, std out. I'm kind of pissed off. What the fuck, dude? I don't want to. Let me save this code at least, like just in case if I need it. Because if you think about it, my code should not even have a colon in it because this colon's supposed to be part of the ternary, but it's clearly printing it. So this ternary does not work. Just for debugging, try it. Sure. Let me clear this. I think you have to format the string manually. STD format, adding white spaces wherever you need to overwrite the characters. Or modifies. It's just going with. Yeah. Still don't get where the colon comes from. Me either. I don't think this. Yeah, actually, I don't know. I really can't tell you. I wish I could be like, oh yeah, it works like this. Wait, hold up. Why is it rewriting the same line even though I got rid of the... My guy, what? Yo, C++, what the hell? What? Pause. Alright, now the program doesn't work. Now the program does not work. Main CPP. Are you rebuilding? I think you're not. Wait, isn't... Wait. For real? No, you're lying. Doesn't this rebuild? Because it has the output program and it calls it. I'm calling G++ on it. No way, dude. No way. Because look at the .bat file. I'm going G++. I'm calling the compiler. I mean, you might be right, but I don't know why that would happen. All right. Well, you know, it's a learning experiments. All right, C++, G, C, C, X, C, whatever. Can that shit please work, please? I want to stop doing this. Pre-launch task. Who cares the fuck? This not, bro. I'm about to jump off a fucking building, dude. What? This is why you don't do C++ in goddamn VS Code. You need to get Visual Studio. Yeah, I think you're right about it's happening. I don't know why either. Cause I try this. It says now error run timer is not declared in this scope. What's wrong with run timer? Do I have to define it above here? Yeah, this shit's starting to. Oh my god! But I didn't think that mattered. I'm just gonna put it at the top, I guess. Wait, no, that was ridiculous. Don't do that. You just need to declare it, just like function signature. Just declare it up here. What just like run timer? I don't know. Like this? Void run timer? Oh, yeah, I do remember something like that. So is this enough to not give me errors? Oh my god. Too many arguments for the function run timer. Void timer on the top and definition on the bottom. Oh, I need to put okay. Got you. Thank you. So focus and pause. So same thing. So the function signature and then a function declaration. Int. I think it's called focus. And int pause. You can just specify the parameters too. Oh, okay, thank you. Wait, why is that? It's because I'm using. It's still the types. I'm very confident that there's some type of implicit conversion happening in the arithmetic causing it to become something else, and that's where the semicolon's coming from. We're about to find out, my friend. We're about to find out. Oh shit, it works. Okay. Yo, I think I know the problem. Yo, Nestor, I think that I had the problem where I didn't put the function signature at the top, so it was crashing, and then it was just running the program for like not building it because it couldn't build it because there was a compilation error. Okay, let's try this again. All right, I got rid of. All right, guys, it prints, it works, but now it's on the fucking new lines. Okay, we're gonna get our shit back, because we're just not rebuilding. So here are. Let me close this. Yeah, come on, guys, can we? There we go. Clear. Is it gonna build again? Okay. Okay, it built again. I'm pretty sure. Okay, we're rebuilding. We fixed that problem. So we now know if you get a compilation error, it will not rebuild and it will just run the whole executable. Average C plus oof moment? Dead ass, man. I feel like it should have told me, like, hey, man, we didn't rebuild that old code. Like, you know? Apparently not. I'm pretty confident, though. I think this is going to work. Jesus Christ. Thirsty. How'd you guys find this stream? Y'all look pretty cool. Yo, T minus 30 seconds, boys. It's going to work. T minus 20 seconds. Let's go. I have high confidence right now, boys. And there's no semicolon. This is beautiful. Let's go! Oh, this is amazing. Whoever, yo, Nestor, you clutch, my boy. All right, so I just need to print like a semicolon here. Oh, you know what, man? I used to get mad at stuff like that, but at least it works now. What do you guys think we should implement next? Actually, I don't know. I wasn't so familiar with your build system, so I didn't even know. Oh yeah, one of my friends actually did the bat file. That's why I was too confused. If he was here, he probably would have figured that out really fast. I had this shit happen to me in prod a few times running old executable. Scratching heads about the fuck isn't changing. Yo, on God. So it works now. We have our colons. This is actually really good. So here's our Pomodoro options. We cleared a screen after. I don't personally want to wait for a like 15-minute timer to go by. So okay, that's actually really good. This actually works. And now it has a semicolon. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. I need to do the same thing for the pause. My idea was to just have an if statement. So like, hey man, I found your stream and recommendations, I guess because I was recently watched a Cherno video. Oh, yeah, he is the GOAT, bro. I learned so much from Cherno. For the break, what do you guys think? I'm just saying, like, if remaining time dot count is less than 0, that means like or equal less than or equal to 0, then that means that there's no more time. So I put a like good job during the session, time for a quick break, and then you push enter to start the break, and then I just pretty much run the same thing over again for the break. But I feel like that's it sounds like it feels redundant because I'm like it's the same code twice. I of course I have to like you found me on the for you page, lit man, lit. What do you guys think so far of the app? It definitely it's doing something. Got the timer right. Wish I had like a. I don't want to change the code, but I want this to like go by really fast. Technically, I could just make this 1 minute. Technically, I could do that. I'm just gonna make this 1 minute and a break 1 minute as a tester, and then we'll fix it later. Because I kind of just want to see how this plays out. So build. Okay, yep. Beautiful. That 1 minute. And I was thinking about maybe starting like maybe finding some library that has ASCII art and then have like Pomodoro timer and ASCII like some cool ASCII art and eventually have a like SQL database where I could save like statistics like hey you've been studying for a long time yada yada yada. This is definitely about to not go too well. Let's just see what happens. Thread sleep for 300 milliseconds instead of one. But if I do, no. That's the problem because I'm going based off the duration cast, and it actually has a timer in seconds. If I did thread sleep for less than a second, it would just print really fast. You know what I'm saying? But it would say the same numbers, whatever, like 300 milliseconds divided by a second. All right, this actually works. Press enter to start the break. Okay. This looks a little ugly. So what I want to do is after that happens, we definitely want to clear screen. Clear screen. So get rid of this number. And then backslash new line, because like why not? Okay, so this will put great job, time for a quick break, and then it'll say press enter to start your break, and then a little space here. And then now we just need to do the same thing for the break. Which is essentially this whole code copied again. So let me stop this. And if you guys have any ideas before I do this about how to make this more modular, because I'm essentially about to copy and paste all of this fucking code into the break time, which I can't tell you I'm like super excited about. So the start time. Wait, no, we can't do that. Start time has to be outside of here. Divide stuff into functions so you do not repeat yourself. It's a dry principle, very important. So what do you think I should do? Like, I was thinking that, but I didn't know how to format it. I guess we should take time before we start writing shit. So do you think I should make a new function called like start timer? But I feel like that I already have a run timer function, so the run timers function is going to call the start timer. Functions and namespaces. So what do you think I should make the function? Like maybe a run timer function that takes. Yeah, I think that would be good. Yeah. This should be called start session, honestly. Yeah, I think run timer should be called start session, and then I should have a run timer function that actually does the whole like timer shit. Yeah. I think it's like control F. There's a replace thing, right? Place, right? Replace run timer with start. Start session? Okay, beautiful. All right, so now we have run timer, or start session is going to be the thing that does that. And we're going to now have to make a new function called void run timer. And it's going to take in realistically starts session. Kind of difficult to explain, but you need to divide the functions into responsibilities, if that makes sense, or higher level actions. I'm thinking, yeah, I was kind of thinking that. Hopefully, we're on the same page. So I'm thinking run timer, and all it's gonna do is just take like an int because it's gonna count down from that time. Call it time or something. So that's the function signature, and we're gonna have to create the function. Start session. All right, and then void run timer int. Okay. So it takes a time, so we essentially just need to do the same thing. Should have thought this from the beginning, but you know. So when it runs a timer, we need to get like for function take a shit, you need to first go to the toilet. And that's hilarious. Alright. Yeah. So I think start session is just gonna handle getting in between the pause and the break and the work time, break work time alternating, and then runtime is actually gonna be a whole separate thing. It's actually a very simple architecture broadly. You'll get their experience. I feel like I kind of got it, unless there's something I'm missing. So we need auto start. So this is the starting time now. We essentially just need all of this. The timer was not declared in the scope. My guy. Run timer? What's the issue here, man? Yo, AI, fix that shit, blood. Like I have really messy code now. Ew, why they trying to change all my shit, bro? Hell, nah, I'm good AI. Okay, so while true, but okay, I'm a div. Good luck learning a language. Try to learn it. Use not to use AI for everything, but at least make it explain everything. Yep, I appreciate it, man. Nestor, appreciate you pulling up to the stream. All right, but if you come back, I will have this done. Now let me just say timer duration. The churn. Duration cast. Duration cast, and then we do the churno. At what time do you usually stream, bro? Kind of lonely being C plus developer. I try to stream every day. I don't know. Usually, I try to start off early in the morning, like 8 in the morning EST. And I just kind of go until my heart's content. I want to finish this. I want to end off stream with at least finishing like this timer functionality. What kind of things do you work on? Timer duration still churn. Okay. So this gets us our, and we just need to put the time in here. So this gives us our, what the fuck? Oh, I can't do that. And yeah, I need to do stood churno minutes. Hi, my viewer. I was just been. It's going pretty well. It's a little annoying at times. All right, so stood Cherno. Minutes. What was that do? Stood Cherno minutes equals a timer with the time inside of it. Okay, so this gives us how much time we want the timer to go for. This will convert the timer into seconds. Constant. Honestly, C++ is good. It's a little annoying at times, a little verbose, but appreciate you pulling up to the stream. Stood Cherno. Okay, so this turns my minutes into a second. So that's the timer duration. We have a steady clock for the time now. Elapsed time is just going to be Cherno duration cast in seconds now versus start. That's beautiful. Remaining time is stood Cherno, and we just need to do timer duration minus elapsed time. Okay. This gives us the remaining time in seconds and minutes. And then this displays the time. I think that's about it, dude. Honestly, you could just pass in a time and it'll start counting down. Should I be worried to get rid of all this? Shit, I don't know. I don't know. Start session, because I kind of don't need all this. I don't think you need any of this now. I hope. I'm gonna comment all that out. I don't know. I'm scared. Fuck, do I just delete this? I'm a little scared. Man, fuck it. If anything, we know how to we know how to remake that shit back. We ain't scared. All right, that was annoying as shit. All right. Okay, see out. Use a version control I get so you won't have to be worried about deleting. Oh, I probably should do that. What is just getting it, right? All right, there we go. We just get initted. Now git commit dash m Pomodoro timer in C++. Oof, forgot to do git add. Git add all that. Warning in a copy. What is this? What? in the working copy of VS Code task.json. What is that? No clue. Get status. Okay, so get. I could probably just git commit here. Okay. On a master by nothing to commit. Okay, that's beautiful. All right, we just committed our code. We should be able to roll back if we need to. Okay. Stood C out. Wait, no, I could just, yeah, C out. Press enter to start the session. Yeah. Then I learned from a book and a whole bunch of leak code. So cn.get, so that forces them to push the enter key. And I should just be able to say run timer. And it takes in the normal ass int, so just run timer with focus is the focus time. Beautiful. This is actually beautiful. This is actually beautiful. This is actually beautiful. I need to actually add some type of way to exit out, because imagine you start the timer and you don't want to like do it. But I'll add that later. Now, ooh, that's a problem. Yo, if you think about it, I'm only using one thread. And if I'm using my thread to count the time, it won't be able to pick up keyboard inputs. So what if like you want to exit out or something? You'd have to wait for the time to. Oh man, this is no joke. So this would run the timer on the focus thing, and then we could say stood. It's the end of file warning. Git wants Linux like file endings, but Windows file endings are a bit different. It won't change your code, but it may change the EOF end of file maker in your files. Oh, okay, that's no problem. That's such a problem, dude. I don't know how to exit out if you started it because I only have one thread. That'll be an update. That'll be an update. We need just a basic ass Pomodoro timer. This should definitely be in a while loop because like I don't know, while true, because it's like, yeah, it's pretty much just a loop of saying running the focus and saying and saying stood C out. uh nice job nice job on the session. Nice job on the session. I don't know how to copy a line. So always be a little careful with Git. I learned it the hard way. Oh, you like you fuck something up. I thought we all been there. Yo, what the fuck did I just do? And you yank this line? Yank this line? There we go. So nice start on a session, and then just like press enter to start the break. I should probably put like the minute. That'd be beautiful to start the pause, which is just the integer minute minute break. Okay, this looks good. This looks astounding. And then all I have to do is now is just run timer with the pause. Right? And then once that's done, the same shit. Just like nice job on the break. Press enter to start the next session. So yank this, paste this in there. I don't know how I got 2 lines, but whatever. Oh, press enter. We need to have good cn dot get. All right, it's actually beautiful. And then I'm sorry, correction. It's line endings, not the file endings, and get. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Recharging is over. I don't know. Recharging. I don't know. I don't know. What's a nice message, right? The break has ended. Yeah, the break has ended. I need to see out a new line. Hello, it's nice to see you. See this journey. Oh, thanks, thanks. And see how the break has ended. New line. Okay. Then press enter to start the next session. Damn, this is insane. Stood cn dot get. Okay. And then once you push enter, it should just restart. That's the perfect. This is actually perfect. I have no way to end it, but you know, it is what it is. Let's test this. Oh shit, there's been a whole bunch of errors. This function definition is not allowed before the bracket token. Oh. What the fuck? What? Void start session. Focus. What's the problem? You. I don't understand that runtimer shit not found. Like my guy, runtimers. It's literally right here. Like I don't know why I can't fold a function. All right, peace, brother. Appreciate you pulling up. I'm actually pretty tired too. I really wanted to go like a while ago, but I just need this to fucking print. I'm kind of fried right now. How long have I been streaming for? 2 hours plus the 2 hours in the morning. Ugh. All right, appreciate you pulling up though, man. There's an issue missing. Where? What the fuck? What's the issue here? Expected a colon? Colon where? Colon where, my guy? Colon where? Chasing that missing semicolon? What did you do? Okay, okay. I think that fixed it. Okay. Oh, you actually caught that better than AI. What the fuck? Now the message is messed up. Now the message. Yeah, I'm about to fucking stop doing this. Let's just press. So it starts the timer, but. Okay, it's not good. Have some blank to start the session. Press enter to start it. This has to be this. Backslash new line. All right, let's see what happens when it hits 0 though. Does it work how I expect it to? Should go into the break. What the fuck? Oh shit, I know what I did wrong. One timer, okay. If remaining time that count is less than or equal to 0, break. Beautiful. Okay. So this should stop it from overflowing. We had another issue with like the messages were a little fucked up, so hopefully this fixed it. Please select an option. All right, this looks pretty good. Select an option. Let's see. Okay, yes, it looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Press enter to start a new session. It actually did not ask me if I need to press enter to start a new session. Kind of like an issue, I think. cn.get is not making me press enter. I'm not sure. I thought this is supposed to make me like press enter. But it just keeps going. It just automatically goes into. That's not that good. That's not very good. Keep it a bean with you. It's supposed to say, "Nice job." Okay, that's actually really good. It just printed that, so stood see out, and it should just see out a new line like that. And if I push enter, will it start? Oh shit! It works, bro. It actually works. It's a little ugly, but I'm not sure why I'm not sure why the first one doesn't work, but you know. Oh, that's pretty fucking cool, dude. Oh man, I'm about to add some really cool shit here, man. Some really cool shit here. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Oh man, this took so fucking long, dude. Oh my god. Oh man, the pain, the suffering. Let's see if it works again. Yeah, yo, let's see you start your next session. Boom! All right, so we got the control loop going, and I'm happy with this design decision to the run timer his own function. Everything works pretty well. My next idea is to have like like ASCII art, like and when you open the app it's gonna be like that's kind of crazy looking. I guess. Where's like the text? Something like this, right? And it'll say like Pomodoro timer. Oh, like wait, hold up. None of these are like actually good like fucking examples. Something like this. That's kind of cool, I guess. Yeah, or something like this. But basically, it would look like that, and it'll say like Pomodoro timer, and that'll be like the front page always, and then it'll have like as you keep going, it'll tell you how many sessions you did that day, and how many minutes you studied in total. I think that'd be pretty cool. Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, and then tomorrow I don't want to burn myself out because this shit's been a lot, but get add and get commit dash m timer. Wait, I'm gonna say like study loop. Study loop works and and timer function added. All right, yep. So I that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Yeah. So I guess tomorrow. I wish I had like the energy to do that right now, but I already know me. I get burnt out, and then I'll just be like, "Fuck that shit." But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna. I probably shouldn't focus on like making it beautiful. I need to have like the core loop down. So I think what the app needs now. Let me just run it one more time. See what it's talking about. See, this looks good. This looks good. I haven't implemented the custom feature yet, which is not. It shouldn't be that hard. You should just type in two numbers and pass them into the functions. And one only. I don't know why it does that. It starts automatically. It's supposed to like. It's supposed to like like ask or something. A little confusing. Maybe I just need to put this in here. Let me try that one more time. All right. Truck and then. Okay, let's click one. It says press enter to start my session. That's, but why doesn't it like actually make me do it? Skips right past the cn.get. That's definitely a thing that I have to figure out. Not sure why that happens. But whatever. Edwin Burnett SK. Cool name. How you doing, man? Appreciate you pulling up to the stream. Probably gonna hop off soon, but just want to take a look at this one more time, see if it's doing what I need. Definitely gonna add some colors in there. Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. Trust. Okay, let's see what happens. Nice job on that session. Press enter to start the 1 minute break. Yeah, that actually works beautifully. The only problem is like, preferably I would like to get rid of everything on the screen. So after this, like, I'd probably just go like clear screen with this beautiful function I have up here, system CLS. But besides that, I guess they're kind of good. Yep. Let me make just notes for tomorrow. All right, peace, brother. I appreciate you. I thought you already left. I guess I appreciate you pulling up though, man. Or staying this long. You have any suggestions for the app before you go? I'm gonna say like add ASCII art, custom time intervals, and record session data. I think that's all I need really. If I could do all those things, it would be pretty good. Oh, chill. I'll join your Discord, so hopefully I'll catch your streams again sometime. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate you. There's an issue. Wait, there's. Oh, wait, what? Am I reading old chat? I'm confused. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what I was just reading. I'm tripping. Thank you. I appreciate you joining the Discord. I'll be on tomorrow. It's 4:40. We're about 2 hours on stream. All right, bet. I guess I'll work on this tomorrow. How about a leaderboard? The app remembers the top 10 times for a named task or something. Top like how much you studied in one day type. Is that what you mean by leaderboard? Cheeky bit of IO. Nice intro to STD F stream too. Honestly, I have no idea what you're talking about. What? What is F stream? You're about to make me look that up. Oh, yeah, I do want. That's why I was when I put that comment with recorded session data, I would be able to use that data for anything like your total amount studied. Yeah, that'd be cool, right? Imagine we use like those plotting softwares to show like what days you're the hottest or you study the most. And yeah, what day you've done the most. Yeah, that would be good. I think that's a really good idea. I should be able to knock all of that out in like a day or two. Because I want to make this like a beautiful CLI application. Like just absolutely sexy. And then I'll just put it on GitHub or something for anybody to use. Anyway, I think I'm done for today. All right, peace, brother. Catch you tomorrow. I'm gonna be continue to develop this beautiful contraption.